Good morning, day 13, lucky number 13 of 75 Hard. Listen, I typically get up around 4 in the morning, Monday through Friday. That's the routine, that's the schedule, because I'm at the gym at 5 to start coaching people. I do not naturally wake up at that time. Despite doing this for years on end, on the weekends, I can sleep. And I'll tell you right now, if I wasn't on 75 Hard, I'd still be sleeping right now. I'd be all warm and cozy in my bed. My toddler sleeps with us right now, so I'd be all next to him and we'd be sprawled out, whatever. I would still be in bed. So this is one of those times where I had to plan yesterday. I had to set an alarm. I had to get my ass up this morning, and I'm about to go get my swole on. But if I wasn't doing this program, I would not be here right now. I'd still be sleeping. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, we need sleep. You got to let your body recover. But it's just another thing you got to remind yourself of when you commit to something, that you got to follow through. Like, you got to let your actions reflect the things that you say you're going to do. And today for me, that's getting my ass up and getting to the gym. About to eat my breakfast, chug a bunch of water, and do some supersets of lifting and peeing. So that's my morning. Hope y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see y'all later. Day 13 is a wrap. I've always said that the weekends are much harder than the weekdays, even though the weekdays, most of us work and you got schedules and stuff. The problem is on the weekends, you don't have a schedule and it becomes more unpredictable. So like today, I was out walking around 8 p.m., get my second workout in because that's just how the day went. So I was on dad duty today, which is awesome. It's the best thing I ever do. But I had to get out and go do a walk at 8 p.m. at night. I had to navigate my nutrition a little bit. My wife decided we were gonna get food for dinner from somewhere, so I had to look at a menu and make those decisions. So don't think just because you're off of work on the weekends, I know a lot of people still kind of work, but like if you don't work on the weekends, don't think it's gonna be easier. If anything, it does make it more difficult, but that makes you a little bit stronger. So guard your decisions, plan things out. I'm gonna sound like a broken record until this thing is over, but you gotta plan, you gotta foresee what's coming. You gotta have a plan of attack, and then all you gotta do is go execute it. Y'all have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.